Hi everyone. Today we're going to make a dog charm bracelet. And I've got green for grass. I didn't know what else to do. So I thought that somebody might like green. I'm sure there's plenty of people that like green. In different shades. It looks like they're out playing in the field. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to open one of these jump rings up that are real teeny. They're 5mm. And I've got better after playing with them for a while. But let me tell you, they like to fly. And I have sent many of them flying. So I'm not going to go quite in the center because it's going to be a little lopsided if I do, because I've got 3 on that side and 2 over here. So we'll have 6 charms on this. And it's about to drop. See if I can get it squeezed together. You just twist it back. Hold it with one and twist it with the other. And make sure you don't have a gap. And there we go. It's on. So I'm going to go and put the rest of these on. I'll be back and then we'll put the crystals on. It's been a busy week. I got my charms on, and then I took a break from it. I got my charms on. And I was coming right back, but yeah, didn't get back. So these are my charms I'm going to put on. I like that one. Or my beads. Look at that. So alright, I'm going to show you how to put on the charms. It's just like we did the others. See if I find a different plier. I'm afraid I'm going to break them. But we're going to I've got it open. I'm going to hook it here beside the little foot. Maybe we'll put this square on. And I'm doing green because of grass. Because you go out and you play with your dog in the grass. That's the thought behind it anyway. I know what's wrong with these. These are stainless steel. I got some others that are not stainless steel. And they twist a whole lot easier. So, take it and we'll twist it. And I'm going to go all the way down through there and put these, sort of balance them out, you know, different shades, different places, and I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like finished. I know you don't want to see me drop it 50 times, so I'll be back. Well, y'all, there is our dog charm bracelet. I hope you like it. It turned out pretty good. Y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.